Hey guys, Zaman here. In this video, I am going to take a closer look at Fairdesk Exchange, a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform. Fairdesk Exchange is a relatively new cryptocurrency exchange that has gained popularity in recent years. The platform offers users a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. In addition, it has several features that make it stand out from other cryptocurrency exchanges. In this video, I am going to discuss Fairdesk Exchange in more details. So Fairdesk Exchange has several features that make it a popular choice among cryptocurrency traders. Firstly, the platform is user-friendly and easy to navigate. It has a clean and simple interface that makes it easy for beginners to get started. Secondly, it offers users a wide range of cryptocurrencies to trade with over 100 different coins available. This means that traders have a lot of options to choose from. It's also available for Android and iOS. The links are available in the video description. So after creating an account, you will see the interface like this. At the bottom, we have different tabs like Home, Arena V2, Copy Trade, Trade and Assets. You can also earn from Arena V2. All you need is to predict where the graph goes, up or down. Now let's make a trade and I show you how it works. Here you can select the trade amount 0.5 to 10 or $50, and now I predict the market is bearish and graph will go down. And now let's see what happens. The graph is going up and down. Let's see what will be the result. The graph is going down and yes, you can see we have earned. Now let's make another trade, and this time I think the graph will go up and I click on bullish. Now you have to wait a few seconds. And yes, you can see we have earned 0.9 USDT. The bigger the amount you will select, the higher the reward will be. From here you can also see the settlement history, trade completed and in progress. And the next tab is copy trading. What is copy trading? Copy trading is a form of social trading where you can copy the trades and investment strategies of other traders on this platform. You can follow any trader, so it allows investors to leverage the knowledge and expertise of professional traders even if they lack experience in the market. This can help reduce the risk of losses and increase the chances of profitable trades. You can see here are many traders. From here you can search any trader, or you can also search it by ranking, 7-day win rate, 3 weeks win rate, 7-day profit and 7-day forward profit. So for example, I click on this trader, the bull trader. Here you can see his 100% 7-day win rate, 3-week win rate is 95%, won trades and lost trades. You can see his past trades and you can earn money with him. So it's a great way for beginners to learn from experts and potentially earn profits. Next we have asset button. From here you can deposit and withdraw your funds. And Fairdesk Exchange has competitive fees compared to other cryptocurrency exchanges. You can enjoy very low fees on this platform. So Fairdesk Exchange is a reliable and user-friendly cryptocurrency exchange that offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies and competitive fees. Its emphasis on security and customer support makes it a trustworthy platform for traders. It's a great choice for beginners or traders looking for a straightforward exchange. If you are considering using Fairdesk exchange, I hope this video has been helpful in making your decision. The link is available in the video description, so must check it out. And that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.